Hey everyone, this is Christian Nabush, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. Today I want to talk about strategies for selling your home. When you're interviewing your real estate professional about the opportunity to list your home, there's an immediate conversation we need to have at some point about the price. What are we going to list this house for? And beyond with price, there's a strategy towards price. Pricing your home isn't just about putting a number out there for the world to see. It's about understanding from your perspective as the homeowner, what is the real estate professional's strategy about pricing the home? We all know we're in a changing market. It's not the same as it was a few years ago where people were buying homes sight unseen, where you can list your home today and there's 50 offers tomorrow. There is a strategy, especially now that we're seeing houses sit on the market longer. Even here in the Gulf Coast community, houses are staying about 20 days longer on market than they did a year ago. So when you're speaking to your real estate professional, and they're probably going to give you what we call a comparative market analysis or CMA about the different homes that sold in your region and how to price your home, have a conversation about, well, what if the house doesn't sell in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month? Should we lower the price? Should we take it off the market? Is there anything we need to do? Your real estate professional should have an answer for you. They should be prepared with that question. And if you're noticing that the people you're speaking to about listing your home aren't giving you a strong answer, or they're hemming and hawing, it might not be your person. They not be the person that you need to work with. And if that's the case, then perhaps I'm your guy. Let's have a conversation about how to price your home and get the best price for the market that we find ourselves in. You can reach me at 727-303-1521 or send me a DM on social media at CD Selling St. Pete. Talk to you later.